We are officially done with trigonometry. Basically, we just want to do a quick hit. You all, when you take Algebra 2, will go more in depth into trigonometry. We just did a little bit in right angle trigonometry. You're going to do non-right angle trigonometry in Algebra 2, as well as just go deeper into a lot of different aspects of it. Our topic for probably the next 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, is going to be circles. So this will be a little something different. Just a little bit of review before we move on. The center of a circle is equal distance from every point on the line. All right. If the middle of our circle is A is equal distance from every one of these little dots that I'm drawing. Okay. And each that distance is equal to the radius. The radius is a line that's drawn from the center of the circle to the actual circle. So if the radius is 2, every line that connects the center to the circle is equal to 2. A line that goes through the center of a circle and goes all the way to the other side is called a diameter. So just by convention, a diameter is 2 times as long as the radius. Any angle that is formed by using the midpoint, the center of a circle, is considered a central angle. Okay, this is a central angle because the vertex is the center of the circle. All right, notice how B and C touch the outside of the circle, and A is the center of the circle. So this is a central angle. Central angles can take any shape or form. They can be like angle CAD, or they can be EAB. It's just as long as the vertex touches the center of the circle. If the vertex of an angle is on the circle itself, okay, see how each endpoint of ABC touches the circle itself. It's not a central angle. This is called an inscribed angle. Okay. Note the difference between an inscribed angle and a central angle. The vertex on the inscribed angle touches the circle. The vertex of a central angle touches the center. So in this one, angle ABC, with B being the vertex, is an inscribed angle. All right, the math you're going to be doing today. All right, I think you're going to find this sort of like a break in the action. All right, it's going to ask you to come up with the degrees of arcs and angles. All right. All right, the arc, let me make it red. The arc right here is called arc AC. All right? That equals whatever the degrees are of angle B. All right? What that means is if B is 35 degrees, Because this is a central angle, that means that arc AC also equals 35 degrees. Right? Along the same thing, okay? Let's see if we put another line on here. Make this D, right? Angle, and let's see, angle A, B, D equals, let's make it 49 degrees. That means that equals 49 degrees. That means that arc AD also equals 49 degrees. Right? This only works for a central angle. We're going to see in a second it does not work for an inscribed angle. We have here an inscribed angle, angle ABC. Right? Just for purposes of this, I just put this as angle B. It's 35 degrees. I want to know what the arc is of AC. All right? The arc associated with an inscribed angle is always 2 times the degrees of the angle. So this equals 2 times 35. So arc AC equals 70 degrees. All right, here we have a central angle, and we know that the arc PR equals 120 degrees. All right, we want to know what the angle of Q is. All right, the angle of Q, because this is a central angle, is going to be equal to that of the arc. So angle Q is 120 degrees. All right, here we have an inscribed angle. An inscribed angle where all 3 points are on the circle. Right? The angle is XYZ. If the angle is 70 degrees, what is the arc? So arc XZ is going to be double that of the angle. The angle is 70 degrees. So 2 times 70 is 140 degrees. All right, I think you're going to find this assignment a breather. Some of the key points are this is going to be your first assignment on the new Delta Math. All right, hopefully you're watching this video from Delta Math. If not, you have to go back and rewatch it. I have the Delta Math gives the teacher more control, so I can tell how much of the video you watch. If you watch all but 5 seconds of it, it's probably going to show up 99%. All right, it automatically calculates. So if I make watching the video 10 points, and you watch 92% of it, you're probably only going to get 9 points. It automatically calculates that. I don't do it; it calculates it. So part of your assignment always is going to be the homework, is going to be the actual math, which I think you're going to find kind of easy, and watching the video. You have to watch the video start to finish. I don't think you can even fast forward. I know somebody's going to try it, so I can't promise it. But I think if you scroll across to the end and let the last few seconds tick off, I still think it's only going to be time played is going to show up. I may be wrong, but we'll see. So give me some feedback, if you would, on the Delta Math. It's got some new things added. The way this is going to work, I'm going to assign you so many points. As an example, say I give you 15 problems to do. I'll give you a couple attempts on one. You might make a mistake, simple mistake. So you get 2 chances on every problem. Number 1, you're wrong the first time, you've got another shot at it. Besides that, it's pretty much you'll know your grade for the assignment as you leave it. All right, this is it. You're going to get this assignment a little bit early, but this is Wednesday's assignment. My goal is to give you all an assignment every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you get it on Sunday night, if you get it on Tuesday night, if you get it on Thursday, I might even be running late, but you will get 3 assignments a week. Every assignment goes in the grade book. You can check the grade book right now. I've already got 2 assignments entered, and I'm getting ready to enter the Delta Math from last week. So, if you get any questions, and like I said, please give me some feedback on this. Have a good day, guys.